Do you have PCOS and still drink this every day? Then you are accidentally making your weight gain, acne and mood swings, even rose. Without even realizing it, let me show you the 4 worst drinks that silently ruin your hormones. PCOS is not just about irregular periods or weight gain. It's deeply connected to what you drink, and sadly, many women are unknowingly making their symptom worse just by starting their day with the wrong beverage. So in this video, I'll reveal the top 4 drinks you should completely avoid if you want to heal your hormones naturally. And I'll also give you a bonus drink at the end that actually helps PCOS. So stick around. Number 1. Sugary coffee. Sugary coffee drinks like Starbucks style lattes. Number 1. Is your favorite sweetened coffee lattes, mochas, fraps. These drinks are packed with sugar, which cause insulin spike, and insulin resistance is a root cause of PCOS. The caffeine also triggers cortisol, your stress hormone, which throws off hormonal balance. If you must drink coffee, go for unsweetened black coffee with cinnamon. Drink 2. Diet sodas, artificial sweeteners. You might think zero sugar means it's safe, but artificial sweeteners like aspartame can actually disrupt gut bacteria, which plays a key role in hormone regulation. Study shows they can even worsen insulin resistance in some women with PCOS. Drink 3. Packaged fruit juices. Most packaged juices have more sugar than soda. Even if they say 100% natural, they spike your blood sugar fast, which leads to androgen imbalance, more acne, and missed periods. Eat the whole fruit instead. Fiber helps slow down sugar release. Drink 4. Flavored milk or milk tea. Dairy can be inflammatory for many PCOS women, and when it combined with sugar and tea, like in bubble tea or chai, it becomes a hormonal disaster. It increases IGF-1, a growth hormone that worsens acne and period irregularity. Bonus: what to drink instead? Instead, try spearmint tea, which reduce male hormones, androgens, and help clear skin, or go for lemon water with chia seed, which boosts digestion and metabolism without harming your hormones. Cutting out these 4 drinks can truly transform your PCOS symptom. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more food-based solution to fix your hormone naturally, and let me know in the comment which drink are you going to replace today.